Hello guys, I'm going to show you how to create a piston door. I'm Silent Dave and now we have a tutorial. This is a piston door. I'm going to show you how to create it. First, you need redstone torch, blocks of your choice, sticky piston, block of your choice, and a pressure plate. Put 3 by 2. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Destroy block here, 4 blocks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Destroy 4 blocks here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now put redstone, 6 redstone dust here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And put redstone torch the same as here. Put the block of your choice, the redstone, like that. Put a redstone here. Put a redstone here and a redstone in that. Same as here. 1, 2. Replace the block that you destroyed. And put the block of your choice here. Put a pressure plate. Same as here. And voila. Thanks for watching.